Welcome, everyone, to my channel. Today we're testing if a Lego car can jump over the gap between tables. Can it conquer the challenge? Let's find out. First, we'll try with a fairly small distance, 10 centimeters. I've got a crusher here. It clears the gap effortlessly. Now, the distance is 15 centimeters. Oh no, the wheel fell off. Let's try again. 2 failures in a row. I think the car needs bigger gears to make it over this gap. Just a small adjustment. Let's see if it works. Wow, nailed it on the first try. Now, let's increase the distance by another 5 centimeters. Yes, still no problem. Let's crank up the difficulty, 25 centimeters. Oh no, one more chance. Trying again. Yeah, success. Next up, an even tougher challenge, 30 centimeters. Oh no, it plunged straight into the gap. Still no luck. Fourth try, same result. I'll add another motor to it, extending the length and boosting the power. I think this will make a big difference. Gotta secure the car tightly. Wow, it zoomed across like lightning. Challenge cleared. But there's still a harder test. Let's add another 5 centimeters. Oh no, it fell right in. Still can't make it. All right, let's switch to a new car. This one looks pretty compact. Will something this simple work? Just attach the controller and we're good to go. Made it, but the car flipped over. Let's try again. Absolutely perfect. Now, let's go for 40 centimeters. It zoomed right over. Another 5 centimeters? No problem. The toughest, 50 centimeters. Oh no, it slipped. The car's wrecked. Trying 10 centimeters with no support. Got it? 15, 20, 25 centimeters? Oops, failed this time. Welcome back to my channel, everyone. Today, I've got a super intense challenge for you, a Lego car jumping over flaming candles. Will it make it? Let's find out. First up, the Blazing Fire Candles Challenge. Our first contestant is the Speed Ace. Here it goes, and it stalls. Looks like it couldn't make the jump over the flames. Next up, gear up. Knocks over a candle instantly. But hey, it still counts. What's this? The Track Pro. Snuffs out a candle in one shot, and Track Pro nails it. Contestant number 4, the FlexBot. Let's go. Slams straight into the candles. Another victory for us. Last but not least, Turbo Max. Absolutely insane. 4 successful jumps in a row. Challenge number 2, the bottomless gap jump. Starting with a 20 centimeter gap. Oh no, FlexBot plunges into the abyss. Track Pro. Its control unit flies off, but it still makes it across. Turbo Max zooms over effortlessly. Now, a 30-centimeter gap. Track Pro takes a dive again. Turbo Max, another glorious success. Final round, 40-centimeter gap. Oh no, Turbo Max fails this time. Let me adjust the ramp higher. This time, success! Congratulations to the ultimate champion, Turbo Max! Hey guys, what do you think will happen when a Lego car tries to cross a bridge made from a single chain? Will it roll or fall? Let's find out! First things first, I needed a Lego vehicle for this insane test. I started with a basic, compact car featuring a gear-driven system and special wheels made to grip the chain links. First test, a tightly stretched section of chain bridge. The car zoomed forward and total faceplant off the side. Back to the drawing board. The new version got chains added to the drivetrain for extra traction. Nope, still fell off. Not ready to quit, I installed a center gear between the wheels for better contact. After eating dirt multiple times, it finally worked. The real nightmare, the sagging chain section. This cranked up the difficulty to expert level, and my current build just wasn't cutting it. I'll make a small adjustment to the control unit. Will there be progress this time? Nope, it just dropped straight to the floor. Complete redesign time. The new version was longer with a flexible frame that could conform to the chain's curve. Showtime! Let's see what this car can do. Oh no, it fell right as it reached the bridge. Let's give it another shot. It failed again. New strategy. Added 2 counterweight arms for stability. Will this time be any better? But zero progress. The car tipped and fell again as soon as it started moving. Turns out the car doesn't have anything to keep it balanced.
Nope.
Still not giving up, I upgraded the design once more. This iteration featured reinforced gear axles for superior balance and control. So, how it performs. Slow and steady, crawling forward 1 careful inch at a time. Almost there, just a little further. And nailed it! Against all odds, this little Lego warrior dominated the ultimate chain bridge challenge. Total victory! Hey everyone, I'm back. Today's challenge is a Lego car pulling heavy loads on sand. Will it make it or sink into the sand? Let's find out. Building the first Lego car. We have a 110-gram cargo sled. Let's go. Oh, it's not moving at all. First challenge, failed. I'll modify the car's design and add track treads. It's moving forward now. Everything's going smoothly. I think this car can do it. Yes, made it to the finish line. Now, the car has to pull an additional 250-gram Lego brick. Whoa, it's popping a wheelie. It's putting in the effort, but no progress. The Lego car gives up under this weight. Now, I've got these heavy-duty four-wheel clusters. See? It's stronger now. Speeding up. I believe it can reach the finish line. Oh, a little struggle. Oh no, the treads snapped. Some casualties, but still completed the challenge. Adding another block. Oh no, even the four-wheel clusters can't handle it. Time to upgrade the car. I'll add a second motor. This time, we've got four-wheel clusters. Looking good. Let's go. Power up. It's gotta make it. Hooray! Nailed it! Next level, pulling 3 blocks. It's still moving. Oh no, the wheels are sinking a little into the sand. Still success. Now, let's try 4 blocks. Challenge passed. Next up, 5 blocks. A bit tough. The car's just spinning in place. Didn't make it. To keep going, I'll switch to a brand new car. A Flex Rover. Let's test its mobility. Looks good. Here we go. It pulls the cargo sled pretty easily. What about 1 cargo sled plus 1 block? Can't move forward. All right. Now let's combine the Flex Rover with the 16-wheel car from earlier. Starting with 5 blocks right away. Look at it go. It's moving forward. A bit of a struggle. But it still conquered the challenge. New terrain, pulling weight uphill, 360 grams. It pulls it pretty easily. 2 blocks. Come on. Oh no, the 16-wheel car failed. Let's combine both cars again. It's slowly reaching the finish line. Success. Now, 3 blocks. It's moving really slow. Oh no, the car tipped over.